Everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to tell you the top best free PDF editor tools that have been launched in 2024 and which is completely free of cost. Okay, believe me guys, this tools is a super easy and by the help of which you can change anything from your PDF file. Alright, so let's see how we can edit our PDF file with completely free of cost. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome and here you have to search for PDFgear. Okay. After that, here you can see this is the first link, right? PDFgear. So just click on it and make it open. Alright. After that, here you can see three download options, right? So you can click any one from here and you can download this particular PDFgear exe file. Alright, and it's done, right? So just click on this particular folder option, then double click on this exe file and make it install. Then click on yes, then click on next. I accept, next, then click on next and again click on this next button, then click on install. All right, and now you can see we have successfully completed the installing process of this PDFgear.exe file, right? Then click on finish to make it complete. Got it? And this is that PDFgear software by the help of which we can edit our PDF file with completely free of cost. Okay.